Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LicQual Level 3 Award in the inspection and testing of fire-resisting door installations. The LicQual Level 3 Award in the inspection and testing of fire-resisting door installations provides a nationally recognized industry-specific qualification which demonstrates competence in inspecting and testing of fire-resisting door installations to ensure that they meet current fire regulations for fire doors. The qualification has been accredited onto the Regulated Qualifications Framework, RQF, and is published on OFQL's Register of Qualifications. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.